Hey friends, it's John, your carnivore teacher, back with our mini-series on minerals. The last one I talked about calcium, and this time we're going to talk about phosphorus. When you talk about minerals, phosphorus often gets overlooked, overshadowed by calcium, but here's the truth. Phosphorus is just as important for strong bones, for energy, and for nearly every single cell function in the body. Without phosphorus, calcium can't do its job. Without phosphorus, your cells can't make energy. And the good news is, if you're eating a carnivore diet, you're already getting plenty of it in the most bioavailable form possible. Section 1. How much phosphorus do we need? Phosphorus is the second most abundant mineral in the human body, right after calcium. About 85% of it is stored in bones and teeth, while the rest plays roles in energy production, DNA, cell membranes, and acid-base balance in the blood. The recommended intake is about 700 milligrams per day for adults. Most carnivores exceed that easily because animal foods are rich in phosphorus. Unlike calcium, where you need to pay closer attention, phosphorus deficiency is rare on an animal-based diet. Section 2, carnivore sources of phosphorus. Here's where phosphorus shines in a carnivore way of eating. Meats: beef, pork, lamb, poultry. Beef has 180 milligrams per 3 ounces, chicken has 155 milligrams per 3 ounces, and pork has 190 milligrams of phosphorus per 3 ounces. Fish and seafood: salmon has 215 milligrams per 3 ounces, and tuna has 200 milligrams per 3 ounces. Eggs, 95 milligrams for 1 egg. Dairy, if you tolerate it, 250 milligrams for a cup of milk, and 150 to 200 milligrams for just 1 ounce of cheese. So unlike calcium, which takes a little bit more intention, phosphorus is abundant in animal foods. If you're eating beef, fish, eggs, or dairy, you're covered, believe me. Section 3, phosphorus in body chemistry, teamwork with calcium, and more. Phosphorus doesn't act alone, it's part of a team. Calcium and phosphorus, together they form hydroxyapatite crystals, which make up the strength and structure of bones and teeth. Without phosphorus, calcium can't harden bone. Without calcium, phosphorus can't form structure. Vitamin D regulates how much calcium and phosphorus you absorb from food and deposit into the bone. Magnesium helps balance calcium and phosphorus in bone formation and energy metabolism. ATP, adenosine triphosphate, every single unit of energy your body uses is stored in a phosphorus-containing compound called ATP. Without phosphorus, there is no energy currency in your cells. So phosphorus isn't just about bones. It's about energy, DNA, and keeping your cells alive and firing. Section 4, what happens with too little or too much? Phosphorus deficiency is rare, but it can happen with malnutrition, alcoholism, or certain kidney issues. Symptoms include muscle weakness, bone pain, and fatigue. On the flip side, too much phosphorus, especially when paired with too little calcium or vitamin D, can be harmful. Excess phosphorus can pull calcium out of bones and contribute to weak bones or even arterial calcification. This is often seen in people who eat lots of processed foods with phosphorus additives. That's the beauty of carnivore. You're getting phosphorus in its natural balance with calcium, magnesium, and vitamin D, not isolated in a factory additive. Here is my closing call to action for you. When someone asks, where do you get your phosphorus on carnivore? The answer is simple. Every single bite of meat, every egg, every piece of fish, and every slice of cheese. Phosphorus is everywhere in animal foods. But the important lesson is that it doesn't work alone. It's part of the mineral symphony that builds bones, fuels energy, and keeps your body thriving. Stay tuned for my next topic on another mineral that we need tomorrow. If you liked this one, click the thumbs up, subscribe, share this with somebody who would like to learn about phosphorus or minerals, and I'll see you later. Have a good day.